From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Thursday morning. Yesterday we had the wind and dust all around the area, but thankfully today it looks like the only place the dust is going to be is on the ground. Winds are expected to be much calmer in the South Plains today. That low pressure system continuing to track on off towards the east, bringing some locally heavy snowfall to the higher elevations of northern Arkansas. Here in Lubbock, pretty dry for now. But we're going to be watching this low pressure system across the Pacific Northwest. That is expected to move into our region as we head in towards your weekend. But out at Lake Allen Henry this morning, a beautiful view there. You can still see the stars in the sky. A clear sky this morning, and that clear sky will likely stick around all day long. So our weather headlines this morning, what we're focusing on obviously is the winter storm we're expecting across the South Plains this weekend. Expected to arrive as soon as Saturday afternoon, lasting through Sunday afternoon. Accumulating snow looking more possible this morning. Those exact amounts are still unknown, but we're starting to see models come into a little bit more of an agreement on just how much we can expect across the region. For today, our daytime high is topping out here right where they should this time of year. 55 in Lubbock, 53 in Snyder, 50 in Silverton, and 51 degrees in Tulia. Now, as we take a look at the remainder of your forecast period, Saturday into Sunday, there's that low pressure system moving to the south of Lubbock. If we want to see snow in Lubbock, typically if that low pressure system is to our south, our chances of seeing that snow do increase. So that's one positive factor in our favor if you're wanting to see snow in Lubbock this weekend. And then as we head into next week, it looks like conditions will begin to calm down. So what we're going to do now, take a couple of looks here at several of our different forecast models. The first one, the North American model, the storm system now coming into the time frame of which it forecast. Notice by 9 p.m. on Saturday, seeing that light snow and rain mix in Lubbock, but by Sunday morning, more of that heavy snow, more moving into the South Plains. That will last through the early afternoon hours of Sunday before exiting our area to the east by Sunday evening. In terms of liquid equivalent, around 4/10 of an inch for the city of Lubbock. And whenever we translate that over into snowfall amounts, this is how it's panning out as of right now. The North American model showing right at 4 inches in Lubbock, 4.5 in Matador, 4 in Turkey, 2 in Brownfield, 1 in Seminole, and right at 3 there in Morton. Again, let me just emphasize this is not the official forecast, but just one of our probable possibilities due to those forecast models. Again, not exactly what we're forecasting here at KAMC, but let's take a look now at the GFS model. The GFS starts to show that move in around 9 to 10 o'clock here Saturday evening, encompassing most of the South Plains. You can see throughout the day on Sunday by 3:30, 4 o'clock, still seeing some light snow in Lubbock, and then that exits our area again to the east as we head into Sunday evening. It's showing right around the same amount of QPF here as the North American model was showing, and whenever we translate that over into snowfall, it shows around 3.2 inches in Lubbock, 5 in Floydada, 6 in Plainview, 6 in Dimmitt, and 6 in Freona. So some higher totals out of the GFS compared to the North American model, but you can see those models starting to get into a little bit more of an agreement. But this is what we are forecasting from the KAMC Storm Team. Notice Lubbock is included in that 2 to 4 inch region. In the white, that's where we could see over 4 inches of snow. Dark blue, 1 to 3 inches for places like Spur over towards Guthrie and Lake Allen Henry. But notice in any one of these regions, we could see those locally higher totals than what maybe the range shows there on your screen. So 7-day forecast looks like this. Average temperatures for today, 40s for Friday and Saturday. But again, Saturday night from say around 7 p.m. Kathleen through about 5 p.m. on Sunday appears to be our best window to see some accumulating snowfall here in the South Plains. Highs on Sunday, if we do see that snow in Lubbock, probably won't get above freezing. And then notice Sunday night and Monday morning, 18 degrees is going to be the air temperature, but that feel-like temp is going to be down into the single digits, making for quite an icy commute Monday morning. So travel, it will be impacted at least through Monday morning. So just be mindful of that. But yeah, it's going to be cold, hopefully snowy here in Lubbock. We've been missing out on these events the past several times around. Slayton saw right at 4.5 inches earlier this week. So, you know, maybe in Lubbock this time it'll be a little bit closer. We missed out on it by 10 miles last time, so fingers crossed it'll be in Lubbock this time.
Yeah, let's just pop that Lubbock bubble and hope that that snow decides to make its way to our area.
It'd make my job a whole lot easier if it would.
Right, exactly. All right, thanks, Jacob.